What up, gang? Rob Level here. First, I want to thank you enthusiastically for watching this video, as I always do. Thank you so much. Had a little lift there. Mike Tyson. You know what I'm saying? Mike Tyson. You know what I'm saying? You want like pigeon.
Kicked him in the head or stomp on his testicle.
I'm knock your ass out.
I eat your ass on alive, you bitch.
I love Mike Tyson, just funny. Anyway, I want to talk about something that you're going to feel this moment one day. When I finally released that song that blew me up and got me the attention of millions and millions of people, a lot of things suddenly started happening for me. Wow. And I want you to know these things and also know the feelings that are going to happen for you. Because you never know what to expect. And there was something new, a feeling or something or an opportunity or like something every single day. Now, I sat there and watched this video. The views on this song climbed from 20,000 to 40,000 views every single day.
Damn,
I had this little whiteboard with a date next to it. I wish I'd taken a picture of it, but I wrote down exactly how many views that song gained every single day. It was absolutely insane to watch it grow the way that I did. I was cataloging. I was so, happy. I mean, I was getting more views in one day on a song than I was getting on all my other songs combined in a month before that song. Think about that. That's crazy. That was a moment that pushed forward. And that's gonna happen for you, if you keep going. Because what happens is when that song you make goes, people start going from that song and they start listening to your other music. And then, I started feeling the amazing feeling of people respecting me for my music across the board. People started listening to my real talk songs and people really started relating to me and all the pain and all the things I talked about in songs. And I started receiving messages from people telling me how much they related to my music and they related to my story, and they tell me how they couldn't wait to hear more music. So I want you to feel that. You're gonna feel that one day. But every day people were asking me when I was gonna go on tour so they could come to a show and they could meet me in person. They say they want to give me a hug. I was like, I'll give you a handshake. People want my autograph, all these different things. People get my face tattooed on me. People get my lyrics tattooed on me. People were asking me where they could buy t-shirts and merchandise at, and I hadn't even thought about getting any of the stuff yet at that point. It all just happened so fast. And it was like, just, boom, 0 to 100 faster than a car with 2,000 horsepower. Because when it happens for you, it just happens. People were going from the one song that blew up and they were going across my other music and they were becoming super fans when they realized I wasn't just some one-hit wonder. All my music was good. I was good. I had great music and all I needed was that one song to give me the exposure I needed to get the rest of my amazing music heard. It just takes one. You only have to strike oil one time to be rich forever, guys.
He ain't lying.
But you need to be creating, right? So think about this. Then suddenly, my other music started blowing up too. People chose their favorites. And then those songs started getting insane streams. And then those started getting spread person to person. I started gaining fans in every city. And I started gaining more and more super fans in every city. My followers and my subscribers were skyrocketing. Music festivals started reaching out to me and asking me, how much is it for you to perform? And they'd be offering me like $2,000 to $3,000, which blew my mind. $2,000 for 45 minutes of work? Is this real? Come on, man. Colleges started asking me to come perform at their frat houses. And they promised me not only pay, but that the hottest girls on campus would be at the house. That's crazy. And they spread the word about me performing to the whole campus. It was like 50 guys in it. That's a lot of people marketing for you on one college campus. I was getting collaboration offers from dozens of rappers a day in my email offering to pay me at least $500 or more just to get on a song with them. And this was all happening within 2 months of the song being released. Just boom. Think about it, my whole life changed from one song being marketed with my smart marketing ideas and strategy. My entire belief in myself and what I was capable of in the music industry changed overnight, all because of one song. The right song with the right music marketing strategy. If there's any proof that one song and some good marketing can change your entire life and make a music career happen without any help from a label, I am proof of it. I had $0 in my pocket to market that song. $0. And because it was so amazing and because I chose the right time to release it, it turned my music from a hobby and a dream into a real music career that got me here today. If I can do it, you can do it. And I can show you everything that I did along this entire journey to get here. That's why I made Smart Rapper, because I made a lot of mistakes before I got to this level. Rob Level, that's where it comes from. So keep watching my videos. Keep your mind and your heart open. I know it always sounds corny, but it's real. Keep letting me share my years of wisdom, knowledge, and experience with you, and I promise you that with a little hard work, you can do it too. There's nothing special about me except that I refused to give up when everyone told me I couldn't, and that I refused to give up on myself even when I felt like I wouldn't make it. Hope this inspired you guys today. Once you get the blueprint for the music industry that I learned that took me forever, 100% free download below. Go to the page, it's the Rapper Shortcut. Click download free guide up there, right at the top, all right? Get your free blueprint, start your journey, make a plan. Don't forget to subscribe and like, that also helps the video a lot, and please comment below, all right? Keep listening. I'll see you later.
Saving to survive.